Okay, so we're going back to good old school algebra here. This is pretty much all just an Algebra 1 review. So let's get started here. We had some warm-ups to write an algebraic expression to represent each verbal expression. So example, 2 more than 4 times the cube of a number. 2 more than 4 times the cube of a number. So there's the 2 more, 4 times the cube of a number. So the quotient of 5 less than a number minus 5, and 12. The cube of a number increased by 4 times the same number. The cube of a number increased by 4 times the same number. 3 times the difference of a number and 8. So 3 times the difference, so we got to do that, of a number minus 8. Okay, so here's our good old school algebra here. So we start up top here. We're going to add 3.24 to both sides, and simple as that, n is 45.34. Now over here, we wanted this to go away, so we wanted it to become 0, so we added 3.24. That's our canceling out. Don't like saying canceling out. That's because it becomes 0, and then we don't have to write n minus 0 anymore. Just n equals 45.34. Well, here, if I want this to go away, I want it to become 1. So I'm going to multiply by its reciprocal. Whatever I multiply to get it 1. So if I want it to be positive 1, I need to multiply it by a negative. So negative times a negative is positive. And the reciprocal of 5 over 8 is 8 over 5. I know we think of it as just the flip. But now we can see when I do that, 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. This is just 40 over 40, or negative, 40 over 40, so that's just positive 1. Over here, we can get the 5 and the 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times negative 8 is 32. Negative 32 in this case. All right. You try the bottom ones, pause it here, work them out, and then come back and check your answers. Okay. Add 14.29 to both sides. Get 39.29. Over here, we're going to multiply by 3 over 2. And again, the way I see about it is 18 and 2. This will be negative 9 times 3, negative 27. All right? I don't know why I got that same one twice. Okay, so here we have to do is do the distribution. A lot of people want to say this is 5x plus 3. It's not. That's wrong. 5 times x and 5 times 3 is 5x plus 15. 2 times 1, 2 times negative x will be 2 plus 2 minus x. Now I can combine like terms. 5x minus 2x. Oh, and I did the 15 plus 2. So that's where we get the 3x. That's where we get the 17. I subtract 17 from both sides. Get 3x equals negative 3. You can divide both sides by 3, or just think to yourself, 3 times what equals negative 3? You get negative 1. Okay. Pause it here and work these last two out, and come back and check your answer. Okay, on the first one, you're going to get 12x minus 6. And to combine like terms, I'll get 2x minus 6. Add 6 to both sides. 2x equals 12. X is 6. Over here, I'll get 4x minus 2. And I'll get negative 12x, and this is the tricky one, minus 4. That negative's got to get carried through there. Combine the 4x and the negative 12 and the negative 2 and the negative 4. Add 6 to both sides. And again, x is negative 1. Okay, that was it. We had a Delta Math 1B.1. Good luck.